Hello, I am Anjali. Recently, I joined Q Spider in December 2025, and that time, firstly, I joined a SQL batch. After that, aptitude batch, and again after that, we taken the access of Python batch. In this, all the batches they provided us the more clarity about the all the concepts, and also after that. Tell us to do presentation, so we can increase our confidence about the all the concepts and how to talk in the mob, and also all the things. And after that, when we added to the any requirement, they provided us grooming about the all the process of interviews, and also they taken our mock interviews that helps us to more how to talk in the interviews, and how to answer the all the questions asked in the interviews. So I highly recommended to all the students to take the courses, and do the join the Q Spider. It helps to more for the your IT career. Thank you.